Hi, in this video, I will show you how to use Street View on Google Maps. Whether you are planning your next adventure or exploring a new neighborhood, Google Maps Street View is the tool you need. So let's start the video. To start using Google Maps Street View, open your web browser and go to maps.google.com. Type in the location you want to explore in the search bar. You can enter a specific address, landmark, city, or even a country. Once you have found your location on the map, simply drag and drop the little yellow person icon known as the Pegman onto the map. You can find this icon near the lower right corner of the screen. Release the icon over a blue outlined street to activate Street View. So now you are in Street View mode. You can navigate around by clicking and dragging your mouse to change your view. You can also use the on-screen arrows to move along the street. To rotate your view, click and drag the little compass icon in the bottom right corner. Use the scroll wheel on your mouse or the plus and minus button on the screen to zoom in and zoom out. So that's how to use Street View on Google Maps. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more updates.